welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video, guys, if you have a Mazda, guys, with a 2.3 turbo engine such as CX-7, Mazdaspeed 3 or Mazdaspeed 6, stay with us, guys, and we'll show you guys what needs to be done to replace the turbo. We're going to explain the procedure today. We'll guys have a video on the channel soon how to do it on the car, but we have this engine out of the vehicle, out of the car, and this is everything with the transmission, and we want to explain to you guys how to do it because you can see some details really good, otherwise it will be practically, guys, impossible. Now let me first explain to you guys, we have more than 200 videos on every car that we get at the shop, guys. Our goal is to make, guys, as many videos as we can so we can save you as much money as we can. So now before we start, okay, let me show you now. This is your turbo, guys. This is the back side of the engine. Okay, this right here is the front side of your engine. Okay, right here. And the turbo, guys, okay, all that is reachable, okay, and you can replace it without removing your engine. This is your turbo compressor, turbocharger right here. You can see this one is new, it was replaced. What needs to be done now, guys? On the car, you need to remove your battery, okay, battery on the car, the battery mount as well. You need to remove that hose, okay, that attaches to the turbo right here. Then you will need to, guys, remove your, okay, that plate, thermal shield plate on the exhaust. So just a quick walkthrough video to show you guys what needs to be done here and there. Let's lift that thing up and you're going to get a better idea where things are. Okay, we even have another engine here, guys. Okay, while we're getting this thing out, we have another engine here and I'll show you a little bit better too where things are. So this is your exhaust manifold. Okay, exhaust manifold. Now you will, guys, okay, need to disconnect your exhaust and catalytic converter from the turbo, okay, and all that, guys, okay, it's done through here. Okay, on the side you will have 5 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will need to remove that thermal shield plate here. You need to remove the oxygen sensor, that plate, 5 bolts, and you remove the whole exhaust out of the way. Then, guys, the only thing that you have, 4 bolts that hold the turbo charger right there. You will have the oil line right here, a few vacuum lines for the wastegate right here that you need to remove, and you have one more line, guys, okay. This is the line that comes, okay, from, okay, the side of the engine right here. Now it's right behind the right behind your alternator, okay, this line right here. You can see it goes to the turbo. So you can either remove this one from here or you can remove it from the turbo, guys, I believe. One of the two, and then you will need to disconnect this one on the bottom as well. 2 more bolts, guys, and your turbo, guys, okay, pretty much will come off. There is not much holding it there. So hopefully, guys, it will be a video that will give you an idea where things are, what needs to be done if you're looking, because it's very tight space and it will be hard to see, guys. So hopefully, guys, it will be something that will save you money. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.